My name is Paige Bruce. I'm one half of Mindful as a Mother. I'm a children's counselor and I have ADHD. So what am I doing? I am procrastinating. I'm literally doing anything other than the task that I need to do. And I know that. I know that that is my problem. I know that is what I am. Why can't I not stop? So here's the thing. Executive differences show up differently for everybody. But for me, if it's a task that I think is going to take a lot of mental energy, and what we're doing, we are creating a series for you guys on TikTok that's going to be so informative that once it reaches you, I'm going to be so thankful. But right now, making myself sit down to script out what that series is going to be, my brain is like, that's going to take so much effort. We just don't have enough time. Because I am a neurodivergent, there are a couple things happening. One, time blindness, where I am overestimating the amount of time it is going to take me to do this task because I don't like to sit down and script stuff. Like, I like to just talk. And then the second one is my brain is right now trying to hack itself by procrastinating, right? So I'm going to create a sense of anxiety and urgency. This thing is going to get done. It's going to be amazing. And it's going to get done by the deadline I set for myself. Why? Anxiety. That is why. So here's what I'm going to do. If you find yourself needing to do a task, I want you to ask yourself why you're avoiding it. Why am I avoiding it? Why won't I just do the thing? For me, it's because my brain says it's going to take a lot more time than I feel like I have. And there's a lot more fun stuff that I'd rather do than tippity type. So what I will do is tonight, I've set aside time to, one, I blocked out time to do the thing I don't want to do. Two, my phone will not be anywhere near me. Absolutely not. Three, I will reward myself before, during, and after. So that way I can pair it with dopamine to hack my motivation. And four, I'm going to break it up into tiny pieces. So I'm going to get started and I'm just going to do part of it today. And I'll do another part tomorrow where I break it up into a small piece. I time block it and I remove all distractions. This is how I'm going to hack my brain and all the ADHD things that come with it. If you haven't yet, please tune into the podcast Mindful as a Mother wherever you listen, because after the podcast sprint this week, next week, we're going to talk about motivation murderers and how to hack our brains and our kids' brains. I'm going to tell you guys how it goes.